How to enable autofill SMS verification code so that OTP code will be automatically filled. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the settings of your device and then scroll down to find additional settings. Now tap on languages and input and scroll down over here, and here you'll be able to see the autofill service. After tapping on it, you just have to toggle on for Google so that Google uses what's on your screen to determine what can be autofill. So tap on OK. After that, go back to the settings of your device and then tap on Google. After tapping on Google, you'll be able to see the account that you have logged in or you have associated with your Google on a device. Now just tap on all services, and here you can see the option of autofill. Tap on that, and here you can see autofill with Google. Now you have already toggled that on. Now go back and tap on SMS verification code. Now just toggle on this autofill service over here, and also make sure to toggle on the default browser. Now go back and you are able to autofill SMS verification code on so that the OTP code will be automatically filled. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.